Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to open up one of these pre-filter casings. But before you can open these up safely, you gotta have to do a couple of things. So the first thing you want to do is locate the cold water supply line, which is this one here for me, and turn it off so that it stops the cold water from coming out. All you have to do is twist the valve here like that. And now the cold water is not coming out anymore into the water filter system. The next thing you want to do is find your water tank and the ball valve on top. All you have to do is twist the ball valve to the right like that to turn that off as well. And the final thing you want to do is turn on your water faucet. This will help relieve any pressure that's still stuck inside the water system. Before you guys can continue on to the next step, you have to find this wrench that your water filter system came with. This is used to loosen any of the casings for the filter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this filter system out in front of me so that I can more easily access this casings underneath. So it's also a good idea to have some sort of cloth that you put underneath to catch any water that might drip out. Get a nice good grip on the whole thing and start twisting. Once it's loose enough, you can go ahead and use your hands to untighten it the rest of the way. And there you go. That's how you loosen it, and that's how you can reach in and remove any of the filters. So once you guys are done doing whatever you guys need to do in the pre-filters, you can go ahead and use the same wrench to tighten it back up. Just first go with your hand as far as you can go with it. The way you return the system back to normal is going backwards from what you've done. So the first thing you want to do is turn the faucet back off. Next, you want to go ahead and return the tank back to normal by twisting this left. And then finally, you want to go ahead and get to your cold water supply and turn that back on by twisting this valve back to where it was before. But go slowly, like that. Don't turn it on right away.